Hello student, good morning. How are you? In previous lecture we studied about types of chemical reaction, that is combination, decomposition, its types, and displacement reaction and its types. Today we will going to study about oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction. We'll take one activity. If in a petri dish or china dish, if a copper piece is taken or copper powder is taken and it is heated in the Bunsen flame, what happens? This is your copper. If this copper is heated in the presence of oxygen, so heating take place in the presence of oxygen. So or we can say that addition of oxygen take place. What it will going to give? Copper valency 2 plus, oxygen 2 minus. So it will give Cu. Black color coating is obtained. Copper it is of brown color. कॉपर कैसे कलर का होता है? ब्राउन कलर का. जब इसको हीट करेंगे तो ब्लैक सब्सटेंस मिलेगा. दैट ब्लैक सब्सटेंस और ब्लैक कोटिंग, the formula of that substance is CuO. Oxygen is twice, so 2. Due to this, copper has become 2. So what is done in this oxygen? Oxygen is added to copper. So this reaction is called oxidation. This process is called oxidation because copper has undergone, copper is oxidized to copper oxide. This is of brown color and this is black color. So this the reaction in which oxygen is added to any substance, that reaction becomes oxidation. And inverse of it, if copper oxide, a black color substance, when this black color substance CuO, when this heated black color substance में hydrogen gas is passed, if hydrogen gas is passed on this heated copper oxide, this is which color? Black color. And when this is heated, hydrogen gas is passed, what we get? This oxygen is removed and we used to get copper of brown color plus H2O. So what is done? Copper oxide में से what is done? Oxygen is removed. So copper is, we'll say copper oxide is reduced. Copper oxide is reduced to copper. The reaction in which oxygen is removed, that reaction is called reduction. Reduced. So we'll say this process is called reduction. So what is oxidation and what is reduction? The reaction in which oxygen is added to any substance, it is called oxidation. Here copper is oxidized to copper oxide. If this black color substance, inverse reaction हो गया, उल्टा हो गया reaction. अगर copper oxide में hydrogen gas is passed, hot copper oxide में hydrogen gas is passed, what happens? Black color वाला substance brown color में turn हो जाता है. It means copper oxide में से oxygen is removed. The reaction in which oxygen is removed, that reaction is called reduction reaction. Now we are coming, there are so many definitions of oxidation and reduction. Let us come to those definitions one by one. So what is oxidation and what is reduction? Oxidation, we will study first oxidation and then we will study reduction. What is oxidation? What is oxidation process? First definition. There are so many definitions of oxygen. With the example I am going to explain. If oxygen is added to an element or compound, molecule or compound, the process is called oxygen. Oxygen is added. Example, oxygen is added. We can take example of magnesium plus O2 gives Mg, or sulfur plus O2, it gives sulfur dioxide. In all the reaction, oxygen is added. Second definition, if hydrogen is, the reaction in which hydrogen is removed, The reaction in which if hydrogen is removed. So example I'll take methane, burning of methane. Methane का burning के लिए what is required? O2. This is methane gas. 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. It is called methane. Burning of methane take place. We get CO2 plus H2O. Hydrogen here 4. So we'll make it 4. Due to this hydrogen 4, oxygen twice. But here 4. So it will be twice. So here what has happened? Hydrogen is replaced by oxygen. Hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen क्या हो गया? Methane में से hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen is removed. This is replaced by oxygen. So this is also oxidation. So the reaction in which oxygen is added, the reaction in which hydrogen is added. Third one, the reaction in which process in which loss of electrons take place. Electrons take place. That reaction is also oxidation. For example, sodium 281. Last shell में 8 electrons करने के लिए sodium will lose 1 electron. So it is also oxidation process. So how many definition of oxidation? 3. More than that also are there. You will going to study it in 11. First, if oxygen is added to any substance, that reaction is that process is called oxidation. If hydrogen is removed, then also it is oxidation. If electron is lost, then also it is loss of electron by any element. That reaction is also oxidation. Now we are coming to reduction. What is reduction process? Opposite of this. First definition, if hydrogen is added to an element or compound or molecule. कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल में, कोई भी सब्सटेंस में, एलिमेंट में हाइड्रोजन ऐड होता है, द रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड रिडक्शन. एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. व्हेन ब्रोमीन Br2 reacting with hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen is added, we'll get HBr plus sulfur. So hydrogen is added. What is done? Hydrogen sulfide में से हाइड्रोजन ऐड हुआ ब्रोमीन के साथ, and it has given HBr, hydrogen bromide. So this reaction is also reduction reaction. Next we'll take another example. If oxygen is removed, हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो जाए तो भी रिडक्शन है, ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो, ऑक्सीजन इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम एन सब्सटेंस, देन ऑल्सो इट इज दैट इज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. सो एग्जाम्पल आई एम टेकिंग CuO plus H2. What will happen? Cu plus H2. This is also reduction because oxygen is removed. Oxygen is removed from this and CuO converts into Cu. Clear? Hydrogen is added. Third one, the reaction in which gain of electron take place. Gain of electrons take place. Electrons अगर gain करता है कोई भी substance, then also it is undergoing reduction. So gain of electron, example I will take chlorine 287. Chlorine will gain 1 electron and it forms Cl minus 288. Another example we will take oxygen 26. Oxygen will gain 2 electron and it will form O2 minus, that is 8 electrons. So these are the definitions of reduction, different definitions of reduction. If hydrogen is added, then also it is reduction. If oxygen is removed from any element, then also it is reduction. If electron is gained by any element, then also it is reduction. Now we are coming to generally all reactions, not a single one, generally all reactions में oxidation reduction साथ में ही होते हैं, simultaneously take place. So now we are coming to the redox reaction. We have observed that redox reaction. So what are redox reaction? Redox reaction. Redox reaction. What are redox reactions? The reactions in which oxidation and reduction reactions takes place simultaneously. जिस रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीडेशन होगा उसमें रिडक्शन भी होगा. तो रिएक्शन जिसमें ऑक्सीडेशन, रिडक्शन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन बोथ टेक्स टुगेदर, दोनों पैरेलली चलते हैं, दोनों साथ में होते हैं, दैट रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. एग्जाम्पल, CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Copper has removed oxygen. कॉपर ऑक्साइड में से ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो गया. सो व्हाट हैपेंड? रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. ऑक्सीजन इज रिमूव्ड और हाइड्रोजन ने क्या किया? ऑक्सीजन ऐड हुआ है. ऑक्सीजन इज एडेड. सो हियर एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हुआ है. Hydrogen has undergone addition of oxygen. So hydrogen has undergone oxidation. Hydrogen is oxidized. Cu is reduced. Cu किस में reduce हो गया? Here CuO reduced to Cu and H2 is oxidized H2. कॉपर ऑक्साइड किस में रिड्यूस हो गया? कॉपर में. जिसने ऑक्सीजन का लॉस किया वो रिड्यूस हुआ और ऑक्सीजन का एडिशन हुआ, दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन. सो सच रिएक्शंस आर कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. अनदर एग्जांपल आई विल टेक ऑफ रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. जिंक ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन गिव्स जिंक प्लस Cu. कार्बन ने ऑक्सीजन ऐड किया है. कार्बन हैज अंडरगॉन ऑक्सीडेशन. ऑक्सीजन ऐड हुआ है कार्बन में. जिंक हैज अंडरगॉन रिडक्शन. gain of oxygen. Here loss of oxygen हुआ. So this is reduction. Another example I'll take. कार्बन ने ऑक्सीजन गेन किया है. कार्बन से Cu से Cu हुआ. कार्बन इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड and zinc reduced to zinc. It is reduced. जिसने ऑक्सीजन गेन किया ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ वो सबसे. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड में ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ. जिंक ऑक्साइड जिंक में रिड्यूस किया, इसने ऑक्सीजन लॉस किया. इज इट क्लियर? थर्ड एग्जांपल आई विल टेक ऑफ रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. सो दे बोथ आर रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. अनदर एग्जांपल आई विल टेक, दैट इज थर्ड वन. MnO2 plus HCl gives manganese chloride plus chlorine plus H2O. Here oxygen is twice, so we will make it twice. Hydrogen 4, so we will make it 4 here. Now it is. So MnO2 has removed oxygen. So this has undergone reduction. This has undergone, MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. HCl has oxidized to chlorine. So this is oxidation. So these reactions are redox reactions. Now we are coming to next topic, that is effects of oxidation in our daily life. Effects of oxidation. First is corrosion. Second is your rancidity. Corrosion and rancidity. What is corrosion? What is corrosion, children? In your surrounding you might have seen buildings when they are constructed, iron rods are there. When those iron rods are kept for longer duration in atmosphere, those iron in the beginning they were very shiny, but when they comes in the contact of air and moisture or certain chemicals, brown color powder is formed. That is called rusting. So rusting is what? Eating away the metallic surface. कोई भी मेटल की जो बाहर की सरफेस है, जब वो डायरेक्ट मॉइस्चर या फिर मॉइस्चर और ऑक्सीजन के कांटेक्ट में आती है तो उसमें ईटिंग अवे, होल होने लग जाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड करोशन. सो व्हाट इज करोशन? फर्स्ट वी विल टेक एग्जांपल. करोशन का एग्जांपल, ग्रीन स्पॉट्स, ग्रीन स्पॉटिंग, ग्रीन स्पॉट्स. You might have seen green spots on copper vessels. Copper vessels पे green spots. Second example, rusting of iron. Rusting of आयरन पे ब्राउन पाउडर बन जाता है. थर्ड वन इज दैट इज delustration of silver items. So what is corrosion? Corrosion का definition, corrosion is the process of eating away of metallic surface में hole हो जाए. Metallic surface when it comes in the contact of air, moisture or acids. So this is your corrosion. Because due to corrosion, a country bear lot of economic loss. Trains, tracks, trucks, vehicles, all are made up of iron. So due to these rainy season mein, country used to get lot of loss due to the rusting of metallic items. Now we are coming to the rancidity. What is rancidity? Rancidity is also, this is oxidation process. Corrosion is oxidation process. Oxidation process also affects certain food items prepared in fats and oils. So food item prepared in fats and oils, what happens to them? When they are kept for longer durations, they used to give unpleasant smell and odor because oxidation process used to take place. So antioxidant substances are added to these food items, and these chips, puris, all are prepared in fats and oils. तो इनमें कैसी smell आने लग जाती है. So they, to reduce the rate of this rancidity and unpleasant smell, they are kept in the airtight containers, and even chips are flushed with the nitrogen gas. So they should not give this is bad smell, unpleasant smell and taste. So that is rancidity. Rancidity is nothing, it is bad smell and oil. तो हम नाइट्रोजन क्यों फ्लश करते हैं चिप्स के पैकेट्स में? जिससे कि ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस स्लो हो जाए. ऑक्सीडेशन होने लगता है. जो चीजें फूड फैट्स और ऑयल में प्रिपेयर होती है उनका ऑक्सीडेशन, स्लो डिकम्पोजिशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ऑक्सीजन स्टार्ट्स रिएक्टिंग में, तो वो ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करे. दैट्स व्हाई दोस चिप्स आर केप्ट or the food items are kept so that they should not give bad smell in the airtight containers, or they are flushed with the nitrogen gas also to prevent the oxidation process. In next lecture we will start with a new chapter. Thank you.